lens cover for my iPhone 13 Pro Max is broken. I just got through replacing this one. I ordered parts off of Amazon and it came with 3 lens covers, a cleaning kit, a white for the lens, a blue, and a pair of tweezers. So this one was broke to the point where, it was cracked, broken with an opening in it. Now this one is cracked. You can see, but it is cracked. So I'm going to replace it. Replace it. You have to break out, all of the. I still have some stuff left over from that one. You got to break out all of these pieces in here. So you can see this cracked here, and let's see if I can go ahead and break it the rest of the way. I can see it flexing. I can see it flexing. Once I get through it, then I'll be able to. There we go. I see there's a piece coming off there. Okay, it's real thin. So you have to go through this whole thing. And it rests on a little ledge here. So there's that one. And it's going to take a little while to get all the pieces out of here. Anyway, these rest on the ledge. Oh, totally forgot. You have to use a heat gun, and you have to heat this up. All right, so totally forgot. You got to use the heat gun, and we got to warm this up to make the adhesive go away. So we'll go ahead and start picking at this. I've already got some of it off. Get that little piece out of there. There, that one shot out. Who knows where it went? Oh, that one shot out too. Who knows where it went? Starting to bend my blade. Don't really want to get too crazy with bending things. And I'll just pry it right out. Okay. Ah, good big piece just came out of there. Okay, so let's see if we can get another big piece. Oh yeah, look there. Yeah, big pieces about to come out. There we go. Look at that one. That's great. That one's come out. Tweezers to start taking these pieces out. I wonder if I can pick this one out with. Oh yeah, look at that. I can pick it with the tweezers. There's a little piece right there. It's coming out with the tweezers. Oh, this one's coming out much better than the last one did. All right, let's see if we can spin it around a little bit more. See if oh yeah, this one's coming out much nicer, much better than the previous. Yeah. And to go down inside there, I'll have to blow that one out. But oh, look at that. That's coming out. That's great. Okay, so get that piece out of there. There's another nice little piece. I'm kind of using this as leverage. I really don't want to damage this, but it appears to be the only way I can get it out. Okay, now I've got to use the knife. I've got these last 2 little pieces over here. You can see how my knife is curled up. I'll just see if I can use that curl to my advantage. Oh, it shot right out of there. Okay, one little tiny little piece left. Let's see if we can get that. And then we go for the adhesive. Okay, so I just very carefully on the last one just went through and scraped it with this, and just like I'm doing now, and it's coming right off. So the wet wipe is already dried up, so basically I'm going to go down inside of this, get any dust out that may have fallen down inside of there. So get all the little dust particles and everything out of there. Go down beside the lens. Make sure that lens is really clear, really clean. I do not see any dust or anything else on there. Okay, there were 3 different sizes. I've already put one on, and if you look at an iPhone, this is the smallest one. They come in 3 different sizes. So I've already used the medium one. So the medium one has gone on here, and this is the smallest. It goes on here, and then the largest, of course, goes on there. So let's take the medium. take it out of the packaging. Even with my big old thick fingers, I can do this. Okay, it's out of the packaging. Now, if you notice, there is a ring. It's a light-colored ring around that. You take that off, and there's adhesive underneath that, and then you put it down like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this apart. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom back up into everything here. So I use the tweezers, and I'll take that off of there. And that's the adhesive, protective adhesive cover. Then I just drop it right on top. Yeah, except it turned over. So I'm going to use the tweezers, turn it over, and get it put in place where I want it. All right, that looks pretty centered. That is centered. Then I take this cloth, this blue cloth, and I just push it on there. And let it snap in place. I'll rub it until I'll make sure that it's on there. Okay, the other one is great. Okay. Now this one, there was nothing wrong with it. So I'm not going to be, oh, that was the first, yeah, I'm sorry. That was the one I replaced. But this one, there's nothing wrong with it, so I'm not going to be replacing it. Okay. That should just about do it. Okay, well, we got it repaired, so now we're going to check and just see, let's just check the photo, see how well. Look at that. The thing is working great. So there you go. That is how you replace the lens.